Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me in a dark corner of the garage with the Jag today. Oh, you see some bigger tires there on the Tundra. Look away. That's coming up. Yeah, Silverado doing wonderful. Had a cable broke in this door, broken in this door. It's going to be very difficult to show you how it goes back in. The door panel has one screw back here. I'll go show you that. And one screw down here. All right, yeah, it'd kind of be on here like this. One screw is underneath the handle. See it there? It's in a weird place, but that's where the one screw is. The other one goes through the handle. I got it in a baggie in there. I'm sorry, this is over in a dark corner. But there is a transmission on the way for this car, and I'm real excited about that. Now, will this be a fix and flip or fix and fleet? Yet to be seen. Right now, we're going to replace this cable. The cable's available on Rock Auto for $28. That's what I bought, all right? That's the door handle I bought, the door handle cable, replacement cable that I bought. All right, after the door panel comes off, it's got a pushy clip here, and there's clips all the way around. Be careful, don't break them all. Just break half like I did. Then peel this back, all right? You can see your cable used to go down here into this corner, where I'm going to try to show you with a mirror how to hook this up, because I'm not taking this latch out, but you can do it without taking that latch out. I'm going to show you here in just a minute. It's going to be tough, but hang with me, okay? To remove it from up here, just take you any kind of little pry tool behind the cable right here and pop this part out. And then you can pull the whole cable out. You can pop it out of the handle part. It has a little thing like that. There's a little spot in the cable, or in the door handle right there where it goes. I'll show you when I put the new one in, okay? Now, the new cable, oops, has a little protector thing on it here. This is your end, of course, that goes up here. That you'll want to be right here where the metal part is. And then the other end looks like this. Now, I'm going to show you with the mirror where to put this and where to clip the plastic. And then the little ball on the end pulls against the plastic, okay? Now, hang on. Okay, now please pay close attention. This is really pretty easy, but you have to look for these two things. You can feel them with your fingers behind you. See that first silver thing right there in the mirror? That is where the silver part of the cable clips, okay? And then if we move back, see that little gold part? Oh, let me get a better view right there. Okay, the second little thing with the hook in it, that's where the plastic part goes in, and that's what pulls the door, okay? So, you can't see them, but you can slip that plastic clip in the goldy part in the back, and I don't think down there is better. I think up here is better. So, yeah, you can see it. The gold part in the back, the silver part in the front. Okay, you can see those with that mirror perfect, okay? All right, now back out here with the cable. There's the silver part. There's the plastic part. This part pulls against the plastic part. It doesn't have a separate thing to clip into. Now you're going to want to go through here first from the front. From the front through the hole in your door panel, and kind of keep that weird ribbed little plastic thing right there. Now take this end. It's so hard to get a good shot of this. I'm sorry where it's at. And I am far from a professional here, but you can see under this door latch right here, right there is where the little part goes in, and then there's a slot in it for the cable. All right, I'm gonna put that in, and hopefully you can kind of see it. Do that first, of course. Get it up in there. There you go. And now you see it went through the slot there. Of course, you can't see that because of the shadow, but I think you guys all understand that part. Now clip that in all the way back, okay? Now we're coming back here again to this part where you can't see it. I'm gonna reach my hand back there. I'm gonna clip the blue or the white part into the gold colored looking part. And then I'm going to put the silver part in, the part it needs to go in, all by hand here. And then I will show you what it looks like when I'm finished. And now I'm trying to push that plastic piece in and it doesn't want to go. So I'm going to take my little pry tool that I used earlier and come up from the bottom here and go against that with my other hand up here. And I know you really can't see that, but you can feel it all. And that white clip needs to push into there. But of course, it is very tight. It doesn't want to go. Still haven't got it. Although it is stuck in it far enough that it won't come out. Let me look with my mirror, see what I can see back there. Thought it'd go real easy. Okay, I'm definitely in the right spot. It is part way in. I don't think you could see that, but I could definitely see it, so I need to continue. I am going to put my metal part in here. Oh, come on, this thing does not. There it goes, that one went. All right, let's push it down where it goes. Maybe it'll help the other part go in better. All right, that didn't go down all the way. Hang on, please. I need to kind of move you so I can get my hands in there. Okay, now that was all done. The front I was able to bring down a little bit closer. I'll show you that part in a minute. Let me get back in here to show you what these two should look like now. You can see the silver slot now has the cable in it pushed down to the bottom. And the goldish colored slot in the back there has the plastic piece pushed all the way back. And then the plunger part is there behind it. Okay, I'm going to try and show you how that moves. I lost it there when I moved the light, but yeah, okay, there it goes. There, kind of. That don't really help. Maybe, can you see that? Goldie part, pull forward. Yeah, you can, kind of. That's what makes the door open now. So this was a video by mirror. Sure, that was annoying and hard to view in this dark corner of my garage. Okay, now I'm not inside, and I don't know if I can reach it from over here, but it works now. I promise you it does. Here, let me get inside and show you. Hang on. Look at that. Oh. Got to put my door panel and everything back together. But look at that. I can get out from the inside now instead of having to reach out here. So, if your cable breaks, I'm so excited to put my door panel back on. Yeah, if your cable breaks, 25 bucks on Rock Auto will get you a new cable. Throw that other hunk away. Yeah, that's exciting. New transmission is on the way. Engine is running great. There's an exhaust leak at the converter. There's a vacuum leak somewhere. There's a transmission on its way, and I need a new wiper blade, but that list is getting smaller. Oswald's getting tired. Slim's sleeping under the truck. Yeah, those are new tires for that. You saw me put the locker in. More to come on that. More to come on the Silverado. More to come on the Jaguar. Yeah, super excited. Thanks for joining me out here today. Hope you learned something, but learning's optional. Like, subscribe, comment, all those good things. I'd sure appreciate it. Have a super great day. I love you.